20th, our good friend Earl just helped Rick to pick up this Today is August 20th, 2023. Our good friend Earl just helped Rick to go pick up this electric wheelchair. And now Rick is working
changing the batteries.
To change the batteries to make it working. Hopefully it works for him. And the Earl is still working on building the platform for the deck. The wheelchair needs new batteries.
Yeah. I got it. These ones have handles on them.
What's that?
These ones have handles.
They do, huh?
Yeah. These batteries, 40 pounds each. They're very heavy and needs two.
I do. You ready? You got it?
I got it. Okay. Pause is about the right track.
It's already all. Alright. Perfect.
I didn't see the other one, the other package.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Thank you. Ah! Good.
Now they got the wheelchair off the trailer. Now the new step, the next step is to get it running.
Fine tune it. Set things up.
And you can adjust it for your hemorrhoids and stuff like that.
Oh, now it's moving. Impressive.
It's set for indoor slow mode.
Yeah.
Oh, there's different speeds.
Yeah.
That's it. Is there a drag mode?
Well, there might be one to go for a walk with Lisa.
Drag. Not that kind of drag.
Okay. That's cool. No, I just got to play with it and figure it out.
So this is a Quantum 6?
Quantum 6 Edge 2.0.
Okay.
Quantum 6 Edge 2.0 wheelchair. I can go see, have a conversation with you eye to eye if I want to. So this thing goes up by a foot.
See eye to eye on a lot of things?
I see eye to eye. I can clean the chandeliers now.
You can dust them.
Yeah.
You can start dusting them then.
Yeah, I can dust the chandeliers.
Okay,
that's the top. I'm going down now. And this thing can go at 9.5 kilometers an hour top speed when the chair is down. It can go 5.7 kilometers when it's raised up a bit. So it automatically limits the speed. Okay, now I'm going to go for a spin.
Okay.
Now I'm going to set it up for outdoor fast.
Okay.
Watch out for the photo radar though. There's,
Yeah, I might get a ticket.
there's photo radar over there.
It's a beautiful day. So Rick, after a couple of rounds of practice, oh, there's a car, Rick, coming. Both sides. He gets the hang of it. There's a car on your back too. Yeah. After a couple of rounds practicing, he is doing okay. And it goes pretty fast. He's very happy with it. Wow, that's pretty quick. He's having fun.
Pretty fast. I let go of the brake and stop.
Oh, that's pretty quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I'm happy with it.
Oh, good.